my paddle. Beautiful day today on the Ningaloo Reef. All good to go, as you can see. We're just gonna paddle up there and then out past these little waves and then over the back. Yeah, hopefully today some spangled emperor, some squid. Ooh, stingray. Yeah, hopefully it's a good day. Out of the sanctuary zone, squid jigs in, get this bait. Some fresh squid wouldn't go astray. 11 meters deep, just on the edge of this reef here. Let's see how we go. Ooh, some dolphins. It's a good fish. It's a friggin' reef shark. There's one thing I didn't want. Trying to sound around, see if I can find any ground. I'm in this really big sandy bay. It's about 16 meters deep. The reef is way out there, which you wouldn't even be able to see. Yeah, how good. Found a bit of interesting ground on the sounder. Oh yeah. Oh. Okay, I saw a shark, which is not good because this is. Where's that shark? Gotta go really hard. Yes! Yes! Tiger fish! Woohoo! Oh, I'm so pumped about that. The plan came together. Good sized one, certainly my biggest from a kayak. Better sort this actually. This is where kayak fishing gets a little hard. I'm just gonna try and mark that spot on my little. Oh! I'm on again on the plastic. Oh! The old plastic that I threw down just got whacked, probably by another spango. Yep. What is it? It is, it's another spango. Woo! Ah, heck! Straight! Wow! So I've got 2 spangos on deck and I'm gonna need to try and mark this spot. Wow, there's so many trevally or something under the water there. I don't know if you can see. Probably ruined the audio, but mate, I am so stoked. 2 awesome spangled emperor. I just need to mark that spot because it is happening around here. How the heck do you mark the spots on this thing? Navionics is freaking out. Marker. Yes. Marker 1. No, let's call it Spango spot. Save. Good. Alright, let's try and sort this mayhem out. Goodness me. Gotta try and get past. Ah, straight! Where are those lip grips? Let's give you a different view. Man, they fight so hard. They're awesome fish. Has really engulfed the plastic. There you go. That's that Z-Man something. Beautiful spangled emperor. He's going to be tasty on the chew. Something about a boat, it's just so simple. Whereas the old kayak, not simple. This is the size catch bag I've got. It could be in a bit of trouble today. Ah, there's Spango 1, needs to go in there. Good boy. Now Spango 2, which I think is bigger. This one was on the old squid bait, circle hook. Thank you very much. Everyone who has circle hooks seems to talk about them all the time, so I might as well. A little bit bigger specimen. It needs to slip into here somehow. And I've got ice in there, so it should keep pretty well. Jeepers, it's pretty full, man, in there. I think that right there is a pretty good advertisement for why you get a kayak. If you're a land-based fisher, you can't. It's just, their sounder is really lighting up there. You can see that. I'm gonna drop. No more talking, I'm just gonna drop down again. Well, there are a million trevally going it. Look at the sounder, all those fish wanting to attack it. Right, let's get back to that spot, eh? What is that? Is that a dugong? The things you see on the Ningaloo Reef, this place is crazy. Something has absolutely spanked this. Went very hard early. Oh! Busted me off. Ah! That was a good fish. I reckon it was a big golden, but would have been exciting. Ah! You got a little trevally on, I think. Oh, the old Spango on the troll. I think he's just too small. Okay. Loved it. There you go, they can catch a Spango. Well, the sea breeze is in. Sweet. Tried unsuccessfully at some squid for a while. Just on my way in, and there is a massive, massive dugong here. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch ya.